Hastepha phangbai Assam rifle ground dolo ajijak fields ni siba Luku Raida sal Pandao Bana Tisakha Hasteni Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nallu Pandao narawai okra engri manjaka Hasteni Montri okra Dr. Manik Saha Fashalo Barat ha kotorni fields ni siba Luku Raida sal Bishi burum burum ni haike taklai bok hatung khajate borom romani bishingtui fasalo haste grangai yasak jakha fields ni siba Luku Raida sal Hastepha phangbai Assam rifle ground tolo ajijak fields ni siba Luku Raida sal Pandao Bana Tisakha Hasteni Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nallu Pandao narawai okra engri manjaka Hasteni Montri okra Dr. Manik Saha Bana Tishabaimani yagulo dal bidal platoon ni bishingtui lo ajijak pret thangnai rokni Khulumani yasakha Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nallu tei Hasteni Montri okra Dr. Manik Saha
Dadah.
Abon yagulo pret thungmungni badailai mungo keplai engnai rokni yago sokat jafari rekha Hasteni Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nallu Pandao kok sanani thangai Hasteni Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nallu saka
For the socio-economic development and prosperity of scheduled tribe, scheduled caste, OBC and minorities of the state government is implementing various schemes through the concerned departments in the state. SC, ST, OBC and minorities welfare departments and corporations of those departments are playing a vital role for upliftment of socio-economic conditions of ST, SC, OBC and minority people in the state by extending post-pre-matric scholarships, financial assistance, soft loans on education and business, etc. I appeal that everyone should work for the development of Tripura with the inspiration of our leaders. The state of Tripura should be made a drug-free state. Child marriages should be stopped. The divisive forces should be boycotted by the society and the state should be made plastic-free. People should come forward to develop the state as a matter of pride in the country. Despite being a small state, our state is at the forefront of competing with many big states in terms of culture, heritage and arts and literacy. Many artists have gained world fame. Many people like S.D. Burman, R.D. Burman have become very popular. In the field of sports too, there are many who are at the forefront, and the state government is cooperating to gain national and international recognition. Players should take the government's cooperation as an opportunity and move forward. We have music colleges and institutions unlike many other states, and even some of them excel in music and arts. Nowadays, some candidates are excelling in the UPSC exam also. The state of Tripura will become the gateway to the northeastern region in many aspects. It is an educational hub and a health hub. Our state will also become a logistics hub after the Chittagong seaport is connected. Keeping that in mind, the central government has announced 150 new petrol bunks and finalized the candidates. 150 bunks will be opened this year. This initiative will provide employment to at least 2,000 people. The government is working sincerely to protect the culture and dignity of the scheduled tribes. The heritage of this tribal and the customary law have taken special care to protect the hilly areas where they live. Government has taken various steps for the overall development of tribal, distributed free gas connections to every living in rural areas, providing free education to girls till PG studies. On this special occasion, let us pledge to rededicate ourselves to work harder, selflessly, and with utmost sincerity and integrity, with the true spirit of work, ethics, and work culture to make Tripura an ideal and prosperous and best state in the country. Let us resolve to preserve and strengthen the unity and integrity of this great country and promote peace and brotherhood among all sections, people of the society.
Filsni siba Luku Raida Pandao Hastepha Montri Okrano Karibo Manzakha Hasteni Kubun Montri MLA Haste Police ni Kubun Ozamarok. Pandani Paithago Naragzago Hanolo Boisnam Zakdal Bidal Samongte Musamongrok. Razakoraguli Nishimi Pronopni Koktum Chini Khorang.